In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to easily migrate your existing Microsoft Word documentation into Document360. Let's start with a sample document. This file includes images, tables, and various formatting styles. Now, head over to Document360. Click Create, go to Article and select Import Document. Drag and drop or click Upload from My Device, select your Word file, and choose the option to import it as a single article. Once you click Import, your document will be uploaded successfully. You'll notice that all your original formatting, including images, tables, and styling, has been preserved. Next, let's look at a document with multiple headings. We'll repeat the same steps, but this time, instead of selecting single article, choose multiple articles. As an additional step, select the heading levels you want to use, such as H2 and H3. Document360 will automatically split your document into separate articles based on these headings. Before importing, you'll see a preview that shows how each section will be converted into individual articles. This allows you to review and confirm everything before proceeding. Click Import, and your document will be neatly organized into multiple articles within Document360. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can transform static documents into a structured, searchable knowledge base with Document360.